All right, so now we want to know how many sandwiches can 1 ounce of jelly make? So we need to fill in our table a little bit more. Now, my question is, how do you get from 2/3 here to 1 ounce, right? We know that 1 sandwich takes 2/3 of an ounce of jelly. So how can we find out how many sandwiches 1 ounce makes? Well, we've been using division. You can also use multiplication in these tables. So let's take a look over here. 2/3 times something equals 1. Yes? Because that's what we want over here is 1. Okay, so I figured out that 2/3 times 3/2 equals 6/6. And we know when the numerator and the denominator are the same, that equals 1. Aha. So a number that we can put in our table right here is going to be 3/2. We're going to multiply by 3/2. So here you have 1, because we know 2/3 times 3/2 is 6/6, which is 1. And here, 1 times 3/2, we know that that is going to be 3/2, right? Because 1 times anything is the number that you're multiplying by. So here we go. 3/2. 3/2 actually equals 2/2, or 1, plus 1/2, which is equal to 1.5. So this is what I'm going to put in my table, 1.5. You can make 1.5 sandwiches with 1 ounce of jelly. So make sure that all your work is showing in your table, and you have all your unit rates written down, and you have a few more practice problems in this packet. I hope these videos will help you solve them.